In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix OpenAI Codex not loading. Let's get started. First, check OpenAI server status. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website status.openai.com. Once you're on the official website, here at the very top, you're gonna find the pop-up if there are any outages. If you see OpenAI is experiencing an outage, you will need to wait until the problem will be resolved from the end. Service disruptions can prevent Codex from loading properly. Next thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Also disable VPN, proxy or firewall as they can block communication with OpenAI servers. Try disabling VPNs temporarily and test again. Next up, refresh and sign in again. Expired login sessions are one of the most common causes of Codex loading issues. Sign out of OpenAI account, close Codex completely and then sign back in. Some Windows users have reported that installing or repairing the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable resolved Codex loading problems, so you can navigate to this website and download it. Lastly, if nothing works, completely delete Codex from your PC. For that, launch settings. Go to apps, then installed apps, find Codex, click on three dots and click on install option. Now navigate to the official website of it. Click on download for Windows and complete the download and installation process. And that's it. With these, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.